So today I've got to empty the full caravan. I've got to fix the runner's on these beds, the runner's on these beds. Also, when we're packing blankets in at night time, that's loose. I've got to sand down and paint, redo the flooring, but that's going to be in about a week's time until it comes. And do all the solar panel, so go check the roofs, clean them off, do the solar, the batteries, the inverter, everything that's coming through here. So apart from that, let's get started. Cue the time lapse. So the plan is today, when I originally put these in, I didn't have any spare cabling, anything, and everything just got thrown in. So I want to disconnect the full electrical system, take everything out, clean out the bottom, install everything back, just with better leading. So something I can attach down to the floor so you can see everything's loose. It's pretty dangerous. So I want to make everything safer. Also, I need to get them put on today, and I've got 2 new bull bars to sit on my positive and negative. So my 24 volt system looks tidier and is a lot safer for kids with us sleeping in it. So yeah, do the montage. that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that like and follow button, and I will see you next time. Bye.